Achoo. Ever wondered why that happens? Sneezing is your body's dramatic way of evicting unwelcome guests from your nose. Imagine your nose as an overzealous bouncer at a club. Dust, pollen, or tiny irritants try to crash the party, but your nose isn't having it. It sends signals to your brain saying, "We need backup." Your brain, ever the coordinator, sends a message to your lungs, diaphragm, and face muscles. The result? A powerful achoo ejects the intruders at speeds up to 100 mph. It's like a mini hurricane in your face. So next time you sneeze, thank your body for its over-the-top protective measures.